To all, welcome to my channel Education for All. Let's learn about Dalton's atomic theory. We studied in previous class. We explain about what is atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. Okay, Dalton's briefly explain it in his theory. This is known as Dalton's atomic theory. As per his theory, all matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms which participate in chemical reaction. Okay, all the matters is made up of a teeny particle which we can't divisible. Okay, that is known as atom which participate in chemical reaction. All type of substance, whether it is compound or it is a mixture or it is a element, all are made up of atoms. That means the smallest unit of a matter is known as atoms. Okay, this is the structure of matter. The small tiny black sphere are known as atoms. They combine to form a complete figure. This is known as completely a matter. The tiny particles are the atoms. Atoms combine to form the matter. These atoms are indivisible. We cannot divide them. They cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. That means in the chemical reaction, the atoms can't be created nor be destroyed. That means if we don't divide them, it is not indivisible. It is an indivisible. Atom is indivisible. So how it is created or destroyed? We cannot divide them. Then in chemical reaction, it does not created nor destroyed. Neither created nor destroyed. Then this is the figure of an atom. The green sphere, the blue sphere is known as an atom. If it is an atom, then we cannot break it. If it is broken, then we know that it is not an atom. All atoms of one element have same mass and chemical property. That means all the atoms of an element consists of atom. The atoms of the element have same mass number and their chemical property. This is the figure of all atoms of one element have same mass and have same chemical property. Atoms combine in the ratio of whole number to form compounds. Atoms combine in a fixed ratio, in a whole number ratio to form compounds. That means let's take an example of water, H2O. That means two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen to form a water molecule, that is H2O. This is always a whole number. That means whether the water is a tap water or rain water or underground water or the mineral water, whatever it is, or when the combination of water is always two molecules of hydrogen, two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen to form the water molecule, that is H2. That is always a whole number. Atoms of different element may combine in the ratio of small whole number. In a compound, number and kinds of different element are constant. But in a compound, if we consider about the compounds, in compounds, number and kinds of different elements are constant. That means in water, always hydrogen and oxygen are present in 2:1 ratio. They are always present in 2:1 ratio. That means two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen in the ratio 2:1 will not change. In water, the ratio will always remain same. Next one is, this is the tap water and this is the mineral water. Okay, formula is H2O. That means in tap water, hydrogen oxygen ratio is 2:1, and also in mineral water, the hydrogen oxygen ratio is 2:1. Then what are the drawbacks of atomic theory? That means Dalton give the atomic theory, but he can't prove it briefly that exactly atoms are not indivisible. But further experiment proven that, further scientists proven that atoms are divisible. It can be divided to form protons, neutrons and electrons. That means atoms consists of the three particles, that is proton, neutrons and electrons. That means whatever Dalton said is wrong. Dalton said that atoms is indivisible, but atoms are divisible, then it is wrong. These are the drawbacks of atomic theory. First one is Dalton views atoms as individual hard sphere that cannot be broken down further. What I said, but this is not correct. Further studies show that atoms are further composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Atoms are consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons. These are the structure of proton, neutron, and electron. The complete figure is an atom. This is an atom. This is the center of an atom. This is known as nucleus. In nucleus there is proton plus number of neutron, and electrons are revolve around the nucleus. This is the structure of an atom. We further study about what is atom. Detail know what is atom, consists of atom, what is nucleus, what is proton, what is electron. But this is the drawbacks of atomic theory, Dalton's atomic theory. Another drawback is, another finding we say in Dalton's theory was that all atoms of one element have same mass and chemical property. That means in an element, the atoms of the same element having same mass number and chemical property. Okay, but this is also proven wrong. That means same atom have also different mass number. This is known as isotope. Here is another term, isotope, which is known as same atomic number, same element, but different. If there is same atom, their atomic number are same, that means they are same element. Same atomic number, that means same element having different mass number, that is known as isotopes. But this was proved to be wrong. When isotopes were discovered of isotope proved that atoms of one element can have different mass also. Okay, let's consider the isotope of hydrogen. Hydrogen have three isotopes, that is protium, deuterium, and tritium. Protium is the formula H11, deuterium H12, and tritium is H13. That means the subscript 1 in the protium, deuterium, tritium are the atomic number, and the superscript are known as 1, 2, 3 are known as their mass number. That means in protium, H11 means 1 is the atomic number, and the superscript 1 is the mass number. In deuterium, 1 is the atomic number and 2 is the mass number. In tritium, 1 is the atomic number and 3 is the mass number. That means in hydrogen, all are the isotope of hydrogen. Protium, deuterium, tritium, atomic numbers are 1, same element, hydrogen, but their mass number are different. That means in protium 1, deuterium 2, tritium 3. This is the drawback of Dalton's atomic theory. Another one, Dalton's theory also suggests that atoms of different element have different masses. That means if they are same element, that means same mass, which is about we discuss about. This is also wrong. That means same element having also different masses. That's like this. It is like this. That Dalton's theory also suggests that atom of the different element, different masses, but this is also proven wrong. That different element have same mass also. That means this is known as isobar. That means elements having same mass number but different atomic number. That means different atomic number means different elements having same mass number also. These are known as isobars. However, two different elements can also have the same mass. Two different elements have the same mass. These are known as isobar. These three are the drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory. That means Dalton don't prove atoms clearly. Okay, these are the drawbacks of atomic theory. In the next video, we will know more about what is the actual structure of atom, what is atom consists of, what are the proton, electrons, neutrons. Okay, their property we will know about in the next video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Education for All. Thank you.